Hello students, we are going to start 13th chapter today, National Liberation Movements in the Colonies. We are going to discuss. So let us begin the topic, Nana. So let us go to the topic. Uh, Already, Nana, in the look at the page 186. In the page number 186, Nana, we have the map. That map is showing colonies in the 1914. Colonies in the 1914, Nana. That means here already we discussed in the 8th class that the European countries made colonies in the Africa continent, Asia continent, as well as in the Latin America continent. So in these countries, okay, so in these countries, these Latin American, European countries occupied some countries and made them as their colonies. So in that way, colonial rule was started. Okay, so in the 8th class we discussed how they were occupied and how they were occupied these countries as the colonies. Now in this class we are going to discuss about how the freedom movement was started in these colonies. Okay, that means here we are going to discuss freedom movement in the colonies. Freedom movement in the colonies. Freedom movement in the colonies we are going to discuss. Okay, colonies means colonies from the Asia continent, Africa continent, as well as in the Latin America continent. But here not we are going to discuss all those countries, mainly we are going to discuss about in this class we are going to discuss how freedom movement of the China, Vietnam, as well as Nigeria. Okay, in these countries only how the freedom movement is went on. We discussed how these countries fought against their colonial masters and how they got freedom. We are going to discuss. Okay, already we discussed. Of course, India is also one of the colony of the Britain, and we discussed already in the 8th class freedom movement of India, how Indians fought against the Britishers and how we got independence. Okay, so in this class also, okay, in the 10th class also we are going to discuss freedom movement of India, but in the 14th chapter, not in 13th chapter. In the 14th chapter we are going to discuss about freedom movement of India. Mainly that is also final stage, final page of the final page. Do you know final page is also called as a Gandhian era? That means especially from 1935 after we are going to discuss in the 14th chapter. Okay, so in that chapter we will discuss about how India got independence and how India also partitioned. In this chapter, in the 14th chapter, we will discuss what are the reasons laid foundation for the partition of our country, what are the situations that led to partition of our country. We will discuss in the 14th chapter, and in this chapter we are going to discuss about only China, Vietnam and Nigeria, how these countries fought for their independence and how they got independence. We will discuss. Okay, so before going to discuss about that, let us discuss map 1 in the page number 186, colonies in the 1914. See, in this map, colors are given, different colors are used to share the countries. For example, that map mainly showing colonies of the Britain in the pink color. Okay, colonies of the Britain in which color means pink color. So what you have to do, you have to compare this old map, given the map, and you have to compare the modern map. By comparing the modern map, this map, you have to note down all the countries' names. For example, colonies of Britain. For example, India is a colony of Britain. Australia also colony of Britain. Next Egypt. Okay. Next Sudan. Like that, South Africa. Like that, you have to make a list of the countries. Okay, just by compare the countries and you can make a list. Okay, so later next you can write colonies of the France also. Okay, colonies of the France also in the blue color given. Okay, so that also you can make similar like that. For example, colonies of the France like Vietnam. Okay, next from the Senegal, from some other countries are there. Okay, by referring the blue color we can note down the names. Next, colonies of the Holland also given. Holland means presently Netherlands. In which color means light brown color. Light brown color given. Okay, make a heading like this and note down. For example, colonies of Holland. Holland means Netherlands. From the Asian country, colonies of Holland is, for example, Dutch East Indies means Dutch East Indies. Dutch East Indies means Indonesia. Indonesia is known as the Dutch East Indies one. So like that from Asia and Africa also you can note. Better to note like this with continent wise. You can have clear idea because beside above the map also there are some questions are there. Okay, you can indirectly answer these questions also. For example here and one more colonies, some independent countries also given. Independent countries also given in this map. Independent countries. Okay, you can make independent countries names. Okay, and they are referred in the gray color. Okay, in the gray color they were given, so underline it and make a note of the countries. For example, China. Okay, so like that by comparing the maps you can just make a list. Okay. So in this chapter, okay, and there are some questions also there above the map. You answer those questions also. Okay, for example, first question I will explain first and last question. Remaining questions you can answer by referring the map. You can easily answer them. First question, identify one Asian and one African colony of the Britain. For example, Asian colony means India only. Okay, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, Myanmar, all these countries, even okay, these countries are all colonies of the Britain country from the Asian countries. Next from Africa, Egypt, South Africa. Okay, so like that based upon the map you can answer that. Based upon the color you can answer. Okay, so easily. Next last question, see whose colony was Australia? Do you know Australia also colony of Britain only. Australia also colony of Britain only. Okay, do you know totally Australia, I mean Britain had colonies. Britain had colonies in the Asia continent as well as Africa continent major. Do you know totally even Australia also, Australia country as well as continent. Okay, so totally Nana Britain ruled 54 countries. Totally 54 countries. Do you know Britain is a small island but it ruled nearly 54 countries. Do you know these 54 countries presently formed as a group of countries? Okay, this group of countries are known as Commonwealth countries. Commonwealth countries. Do you know Commonwealth countries? Okay, in that way Commonwealth countries means that countries which are once ruled by the British is formed as a Commonwealth country. Do you know Commonwealth games also there? Commonwealth games are the third largest games in the world after Olympic games and Asian games. Okay, so this is introduction of our of this lesson, Anna. So we will discuss. Okay, we will discuss in this chapter about freedom movement of the China, Vietnam and Nigeria. Okay, so first let us discuss about China.